Welcome to our Smart Lab, our global hub for smart innovations right here in Amsterdam. I'm Wouter, the Smart Solutions Manager at ASKO. With our team, we are developing all the digital aspects beyond the appliance, like mobile app, services and data, to develop the right connected experiences for our users. Why did we develop the ASKO Smart Lab? It is a space where we push the boundaries of technology. We are creating prototypes with AI, machine learning and the latest technologies. Those prototypes we were testing with end users, and we're also collaborating with ecosystem partners to learn from them to build the best possible solutions for the future. The ASKO Smart Lab is based on 3 key pillars. The first one is Creative Playground. So we test the latest innovations and we play with them to make the right solutions for our products. The second pillar is User Research Lab. We learn directly from our users and use that information to solve meaningful problems. The third pillar of the ASKO Smart Lab is Innovation Hub. So what we have learned from the users, we translate into changeable products that we're gonna launch to the market. Here I would like to show you our latest innovations in our Connect Live app. So for our new craft ovens, we have developed an app. In this case, I would like to show you our latest things on programs. So I can send the program, Wouter, the temperature, 180 degrees, and the duration, 30 minutes. And just with one press of a button, start in the oven there. As you can see, it works remotely. We also tested here with end consumers DishDesigner. So based on insights, we created this app. Here's how you start the app. You go into the app, and then you have the options to select ingredients, cuisine or taste to generate a recipe with AI. Let's show an example. I add here tomato. I also would like to have some beef in it and maybe some broccoli. Based on these 3 ingredients, we can select the cuisine. In this case, we go for Chinese. We can define our cooking time, our effort, and the servings. In this case, I go for 30 minutes, medium effort, and a warm meal. So now we have all the settings there, and now we can create the recipe with AI. This will take a second or 2, and then we get 3 recipes. So here you see all the ingredients you need for this recipe, and in this area you see step by step how you need to prepare it to get the right meal. The ASKO Smart Lab is the place where we bring the future of smart living to life. Stay tuned for our latest innovations on connected appliances and professional solutions.